Guys, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Cyber World, and today I'll give an overview on eBay. Everyone knows about eBay, but some people who don't know. For that, I'll little bit explain. eBay is an online platform which provide you an opportunity to make your online store and sell your items, products on eBay. So there are two types of users of eBay. One is sellers and other is buyers. This video is of course for sellers. So I'll show you that what is an eBay store, what is product, what is product listing. These are which you see in this platform. These are products and listings of products. So let me take one and show you guys. Product listing mean that you list your product, give a title, give sizes, etc., quantity, price, description, and so on. And you can also check about the store. You can make your own store, but I'll explain in next tutorials. Keep following me. So this is one of the stores who are selling their products, which are t-shirt, jeans, bags, strollers, and so on. So this is a type of online store, and it is a good platform because buyers are irritating of visiting different websites and buying from them. They simply come to a single platform and search for a product. They will find a lot of stores who are selling the same product, and they can choose their product and best product and with the minimum price. So this is a overview of store, that how a store looks like. So just click on some product, like this is 1655 sold item. This item is sold almost 1.5k, 1.6k, and you can also check that 21 items sold in last 24 hours. So this all depend upon that how you list, how you give title, how you give description. It's depend upon your pictures and a lot of more. So just I'll show you just how to find the best selling product. So here is an website of drop shipping. It's an UK based warehouse. So I just copy the title from here and paste it here. You will be find a lot of items, a lot of product related this. So here is an option sponsored, which means that they pay extra for their listing on the top. So just click on one, and you will be checked that it's 140 sold. If you want to list same like this, just click on sell it yourself, and there will be a pop-up form where you can list your own products. So I didn't log in, so it didn't show me. Anyways, this is enough for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want me to explain more about eBay and let you know that how to list, I'll make different videos on single topics. So thank you guys. Bye bye.